Hey creators, are you struggling to choose between Pika Labs and Vizard AI for your video projects? You're in the right place. Today we're breaking down these two AI-powered video tools to see which one fits your needs. Let's dive in. When it comes to what they are best for, Pika Labs is best for AI-generated videos from text prompts, while Vizard AI is for AI-powered video editing and enhancements. When it comes to ease of use, Pika Labs is simple and has text-to-video focus, while Vizard AI has more features but a slightly steeper learning curve. When it comes to customization, Pika Labs is limited but creative, while Vizard AI has advanced editing tools and templates. When it comes to pricing, Pika Labs has a free tier plan available, while Vizard AI has freemium and paid plans for pro features. When it comes to AI capabilities, Pika Labs is strong in surreal and artistic clips, while Vizard AI is better for real-world video tweaks. When it comes to speed, Pika Labs has fast generation, while Vizard AI has slightly slower but more polished speed. When it comes to output quality, Pika Labs is experimental and sometimes glitchy, while Vizard AI is professional and has clean results. When it comes to their best features, Pika Lab has text-to-video magic, while Vizard AI has auto captioning and scene trimming. Lastly, who wins? Well, if you are an artist or an experimenter, you can simply go for Pika Labs. But if you're a marketer or a content creator, Vizard AI should be your best pick. So, because Pika Labs is like a mad scientist lab, wild, creative, and unpredictable, while Vizard AI is more like a Swiss Army knife, precise, polished, and packed with tools. So which one's your pick? Drop a comment below. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI showdowns, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next battle. See you in the next video.